Healing soup with a kick? Huh? How does soup get to be stronger? Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. Hello, everybody. It's Shirley here, your holistic health specialist. And I'm giving you a great tip today for something soothing, comforting, and medicinal. It really knocks it out of the park. So let me now reveal that this video is about chicken soup. And what could be better than chicken soup? Well, I'm here to tell you, lovely people, it's ginseng chicken soup. Oh my God. All over the world, each culture has an interpretation of chicken soup. I mean, at least 25 countries, there's probably more, offer versions of chicken soup, and you've got to try this particular Asian specialty. Following in my search for stress management tools and tips, I definitely find that chicken soup should be available as a prescription, even though I don't prescribe, wink, wink, I only recommend as needed. But why do people love ginseng chicken soup so much? Well, I personally love the taste and the benefits of healing that it offers. But let me ask you, what do you think? I mean, is it just the placebo effect? I doubt it, but you can be the judge and let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. You've probably heard that chicken soup has gained its following due to its reputation as a remedy for colds and flu and a lot more. It's highly prized for its medicinal benefits, including boosting energy. Indeed, ginseng chicken soup is truly a comfort food that combats illness. In Asian countries, people add their traditional Chinese herbs to kick it up even more notches for supercharged healing. So now your soup might contain jujube dates, goji berries, fresh ginger, or ginkgo nuts, and every herb has specific purposes and benefits. I love those. I love jujubes and goji, and those ones I use the most. Even I do fresh ginger. And anyways, let's dive into the benefits of ginseng chicken soup. It replenishes your chi. That's your life force. It provides immune support. It calms the mind and nervous system, supports heart health, and it strengthens physical weakness due to prolonged illness. So here's some tips that I have for when you do decide to try this soup. Make sure the soup is hot so you feel it going down. I'm not talking about burning yourself, just make sure it's hot enough. And enjoy the chicken meat. That should fall off the bone easily. The broth itself has to be bitter with that medicinal taste of the ginseng, which is lovely. And now that the ginseng root is cooked, you can also eat it. I also suggest a side bowl of rice and slip some of it into the soup for an extra boost. You can use brown rice, jasmine rice, whatever you want, black rice. This is healing at its finest. So let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food. So let me ask, are you ready for an upgrade of your wellness habits? I suggest for you to schedule an intro session with me. I share plenty of tips for healing along with food, for stress reduction, and different ideas along those lines, depending on what is bothering you in the way of holistic healing, habits, and stress management. So contact me now. You're going to get the best mentoring on your journey. And I am so happy you came today. Please subscribe, like, and comment. I look forward to seeing you again. And look around on this channel. There's so much wonderful information for your holistic lifestyle tips. And you can also follow me over on a Patreon and become a patron. And there's memberships that start as low as $5 and go up to the bamboo level tier that has a coaching session monthly in that. So that's like an elite session there. Most of all, I'm sending my wellness wishes to you always.